Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. So today I'm gonna be making some pumpkin soup, some Jamaican pumpkin soup. I know they make it in Haiti, and I'm pretty sure they make it all over, but it's very popular in Haiti and Jamaica also. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin soup with chicken foot, and I'm gonna be showing you like the easy way to cut the toes off, if that makes sense, like the little pointy toes, yeah, the toenails or whatever it is, to cut them off easily, because if you cut it the wrong way, then it's gonna be harder. Like, you get it off, but it's gonna be harder. But there's like a little technique that I use to get it off properly, and I'm gonna show you, so stay tuned. So you want to put the knife like right where the nail meets the flesh of the toe, if that makes sense, and just cut it like right in the groove right there. Just slide it off. So yeah, you just go like that. And you just go like that, right in there, and you just see, the sharper the knife, the better. Like this. See how fast I'm going. So now I'm gonna be cutting up the food to put it in the pot. All right. Want to make sure you clean out right here. Clean it out. See, I already put in the chicken foot because you have to put it in ahead to cook before the other stuff, because you know vegetable, they cook really quick. So yeah, you see it's bubbling up. You just put it in with some garlic. Yeah, let it cook. I'm doing the chayote, that's what they call it here, but Jamaica we call it chocho, and I'm pretty sure they call it something else in a different country. So yeah, chocho, cutting up the chocho. Well, peeling it. I peel everything first, and then I'll rinse them and then cut it up. Yeah, so as you can see, the pumpkin done peel, only to cut up. Yeah, cut out a little part there, that's the seed. The other part, I'm just using one. The seed is different. Cutting up the carrots. Carrots time. Well, these you just scrape them.
Carrots.
Yeah.
I see it on the camera.
You see it on the camera?
Yeah.
I need a bigger bowl. And then these are very old, so yeah, I have to do more scraping on these ones. But I just scrape it and then wash it and cut it up. I'm gonna come back and show you when I'm cutting it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna be cutting it up. Cut it up because it's gonna get crushed in the pot anyway to give it the flavor, body, and everything like that. So now I'm gonna be adding the pumpkin to the pot. Because the meat has been cooking for some time now. I'm gonna add some more water to it too. Yeah. So yeah, let that cook while I cut up the other vegetable. Putting the rest of the vegetable in and let that cook. Look at it. Yeah, I'm gonna stir it up now. Okay, so while the vegetable cook, I'm gonna be cutting up the rest of the food that I'm gonna be putting into the pot. So I'm gonna be putting some sweet potatoes, some regular potatoes. I'm gonna be putting some dumplings I'm gonna make after I do this. Now this is the only food that I'm gonna be putting in because as you can see it's a small pot. I'm just doing a small pot of soup, and usually people put a lot more stuff. Sometimes I put a lot more stuff. Sometimes I do yam. What else? White yam, yellow yam. That's the most I'll do though, along with these. And corn, you could put corn on the cob in it. And I know other people, they may put cocoa, dashin, malanga, you know, any staple, you could really put it in there. But this is all I'm going to be using for today. So now I'm going to be cutting it up. Well, actually, I'm going to be peeling it. I got to peel it first. And I hate peeling sweet potato. Oh, they also call it boniato, batata. They call it that too. But in Jamaica we call it sweet potato because it's sweet. And I like the flavor that it gives to the soup. It gives it a nice sweet flavor. Yeah. I also love to use this to make pudding. Sweet potato pudding. Well, yeah, I'm gonna peel it. up now. Oh, this time you don't cut it as small because these are just food items that you're gonna be eating. So the others, you know, you put it, the vegetable you put in and it gets crushed out, but these are not. They're gonna be eaten like so. Oops. Careful because you can cut yourself, especially if the knife is very sharp. These are very hard to cut into. Now onto these are very soft, so I'm just gonna cut it one time because they will get crushed out if you don't be careful. I'm just gonna cut this into half, and there's another small one that I'm just gonna leave like it is. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in a pot now. So you can see. Put it like so, like so. Okay, so look at it. It's just stirring, and you see like these are soft. They are, and you just crush it out, so you can get that yellow color that you often see in the soup. I'm just gonna help crush it out. You see, that's why you put it ahead of time, so it could get soft. And you crush it out like so. And some is gonna live still, but it's fine. But you're gonna crush it out, and as it cooks, it's gonna get softer and softer and softer and softer. See? I'm gonna let it cook some more, and then I'm gonna make the dumplings and put them in. Then after that, it's time to season it up. Very easy to make, guys. Very easy to make. And look at that, it's already getting all yellow. Jamaica would say the pumpkin is rich. The dumplings, so you just add some flour. This is all-purpose flour, not surprising. That would be a disaster. Add some salt. You have to use a judgment here. You don't want too much or too little. Should be fine. Now it's time to make it. So I'm just mixing up the flour with the salt, and I'm going to use a spoon initially because I don't like to feel it on my hands, but in the end I usually knead it with my hands. I'm just going to do some water. Again, it's judgment. Going in with my hands. I don't like it, but my hands are clean. I wash my hands thoroughly. And it's time to knead. It was a little bit too soft, so I just add a little bit more flour to it, and that's it. And if it's too hard, you just add a little bit of water. Like, the only way you can spoil it is if you don't have any flour to play with, and it gets too soft, and then you don't have any to add to it, you know. But yes, this is the perfect consistency, because when it's not like coming off on your hands, when And you do it like that. See, if it was too soft, then it would be sticking on your hands. So yeah. And if it's too hard, you're gonna be like, you'll be fighting with it, fighting with it. But yeah, this is it's really good. Yeah. Got it. This is good consistency. Woo, I'm tired. It's a workout. Work your muscles. Alright, so I'm ready to go in. Start making it. Now it's time to make it. Look at it. Look at it. So, yeah, take off something like that and do it like so. Like so. Like the, you see? And for soup, you could do something like this. Like you roll it like so. See, like so. Call it spinners. You can make all shapes and sizes. I'm gonna make a teeny tiny one. See? I like these ones. Now, if my soup don't have any dumpling, it's like it's not soup. So, I'm just gonna continue and make them. Gianna, put it back, please. Put it back. And while I'm making it, I'm putting it into the pot. Okay, so now is the last step. It's so pretty it looks. I put in a dumpling and everything, so the last thing to do is to season it up. I'm gonna put in scallion, thyme. What I'm gonna do is take these out because they're already cooked and I don't want them to crush. While the dumpling cook, I'm just gonna take these out. Some people put, that's why some people put them in a little bit later, but I want the flavor, so I want some of them to get crushed. So yeah, I'm gonna season it with chicken and cock soup. So this is the cock soup, and then this is the chicken. And you also have pumpkin, but since my soup is already so rich, I'm just gonna use those two, and then I'm gonna put some herbs, scallion, thyme, you know, the works, and some salt to add salt for flavor. And yeah, that's gonna be it. The dumpling's gonna cook. The chicken foot should be cooked by now. Yeah, you see the meat is falling off the bone, so you know it's cooked. So yeah, that's about it. I'll come back and show you the end result, the finished product. All right, there it is, guys. It looks so yummy and rich and thick. It's on low. It's on low because the noodles are still cooking just a little bit. Yeah, it's just simmering down. Look at it. So nice. So yeah, that's it for my cook with me. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, like, and if you know someone that will enjoy watching it, also share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.